Finishing week 11 of the Succeed Overhaul 11.1 with a 5 minutes max distance farmers carry up and down the court. Proudly sponsored by ASN Canberra, Independent Property Group and the Tish down in Tuggeranong. Succeed Body Overhaul.